Hello students, in this video we are going to learn example number 3, which is there already on the screen. You can see a certain amount is there, fixed amount is there, that we are going to distribute equally, is equally distributed among a certain number of students. Means there is some amount of money or amount is there that we are going to distribute equally to the certain number of students. Each would get, now see the conditions, each would get rupees 2 less if 10 students were more. If 10 students were there more, then each would have got rupees 2 less, and each would get rupees 6 more if 15 students were less. This is the part of common sense that is to be understood. If students are less, the amount will get more to each students, and if students are more, then amount will be less to each students, vice versa. In that way, my dear students, if students are less, amount will be more for every student, and if students are more, then amount will be less for every students. In this way, example is there. Let us see solution. Let us consider number of student equal to x, amount given to each student is equal to y, and therefore total amount distributed is equal to x into y, that is ultimately xy, according to first condition. Now see first condition, each would get rupees 2 less, rupees are less, so here y minus 2 less, rupees 2 less, so y minus 2, and when it is so, if 10 students were more, so x plus 10, so y minus 2 in bracket x plus 10 is equal to xy, total amount will remain as it is, that is y minus 2 in bracket x plus 10 is equal to xy. Now bracket you have to say, solve with the help of multiplication. Y into x, it will become xy, y into 10, it will become 10y. Then with minus 2, again you have to multiply to the second bracket as it is, minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 10 minus 20 is equal to xy will remain as it is. Now as a part of convenience, we have to just reshuffle or shuffle or exchange the positions of 20 and xy, means 20 will take the position of xy and xy will take the position of 20. Rest of the part will remain as it is. Xy will remain as it is, plus 10y will remain as it is, minus 2x will remain as it is, minus 20 will go after equal sign and xy will come before equal sign. So step will become xy will remain as it is, plus 10y as it is, minus 2x as it is, xy will come on this side, it will become minus xy, and minus 20 will go on that side, it will become plus 20. Now xy minus xy, it will get cancelled, so only minus 2x plus 10y is equal to 20. Now so if you see 2, 10, 20, all that numbers are divisible by 2. So let us divide both sides of equation by 2. What will happen? Minus x plus 2 5s are 10. So plus 5y is equal to 10. This is all about equation number 1. Now according to second condition, see there, after and, each would get rupees 6 more. Now here rupees are more, so total amount, sorry, amount given to each student is y, rupees are more, so y plus 6, and ultimately when it is so, 15 students were less, that is x will become less now by 15, so x minus 15, and their product will remain xy as it is because amount is not going to change. Y plus 6, another bracket, x minus 15 is equal to xy. Again multiplication like equation number 1, y into x, yx, that is xy, y into minus 15, minus 15y, 6 into x, 6x, 6 into minus 15, minus 90, xy will remain as it is. Again we are going to reshuffle the positions of minus 90 and xy, which is there after equal sign. Minus 90 will go after equal sign, it will become plus 90, and then xy will come on this side and it will cancel directly, we have done the step. So plus 6x minus 15y is equal to 90. Now 6, 15, 90, all that numbers are divisible by 3. So we have divided that equation by 3. 2x minus 5y is equal to 30. All about equation number second. Now see, equation number first is having plus 5y and equation number second is having minus 5y. Plus 5y minus 5y, it will cancel in which operation? Yes, definitely it is addition operation. Now let us add equation number first and second. Minus x plus 5y is equal to 10, which is first equation, and 2x minus 5y is equal to 30, which is second equation. Minus x plus 2x, it will have answer x. Answer of addition is x. Plus 5y minus 5y, it will get cancelled. 10 plus 30, it will become 40. Now you have got value of x that you are going to substitute either in first or second equation to get the value of y. Let us substitute this value in equation first. Minus x plus 5y is equal to 10 minus in bracket 40, value of x plus 5y is equal to 10, minus into 40, it will become minus 40 plus 5y is equal to 10. 5y is equal to 40 will come on this side, that is on right hand side. It will become 10 plus 40 is equal to 5y, or 5y is equal to 10 plus 40. 5y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50 divided by 5. Y is equal to 10. Here you have got value of x as well as value of y. So number of student which is x, that is 40. Amount given to each student is equal to 10. And total amount distributed is 40 into 10, which is x into y. Initially it will be 400. Thank you children. In this way, here we have completed our topic number 1. Kindly complete practice set 1.5, problem set 1 by this week and send me the photos of that on my personal WhatsApp. Thank you children. Have a nice day.